Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Let us wait for a few minutes. Then I shall start the session. Okay, let us start the session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now the 15th question. Right. In triangle ABC, sigma sine of A minus B upon cos A cos B equals to first option 1, second option 2, third option 0, fourth option 1 upon 2.
Options are independent. So
Yes, options are independent of A, B, C. That's why you can select magic triangle. Right. Options are independent of angle A, angle B, angle C. So choose A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Now, as
0,
per
sir. Answer.
yes. Now the given
0.
expression becomes sigma sine of 60 minus 60, sine 0 by something, sigma 0 by something 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. So we get 0. Third option is the right option. Right?
Yes, sir.
So let us move to 16th question. 16th question. This very important question. Tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees upon tan 70 degrees equals to first option 0, second option is 1, third option 2, fourth option 3. Here already I told you for MCQs one of the shortcut tip. What is the tip means? Numerator is in the form of tan A minus tan B. So tan A minus tan B equals to, we can have tan of A minus B multiplied with 1 plus tan A tan B we can write. So that means now the solution becomes, this is given expression we can write. So instead of tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees, A means 80, B means 10. Tan of A minus B, 80 minus 10 is tan 70 multiplied with 1 plus tan 80 tan 10. So now numerator, denominator as it is we need to write tan 70.
Tan 20, tan 70 cancel.
So we have 1 plus tan 80 degrees into tan 10. So one interesting result also I would like to discuss here. See, if A plus B equals to 90 degrees, if the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B is 1. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1. You check here, A plus B here, what do you get? A plus B is equal to 80 plus 10, which is equal to 90 degrees, which is satisfied this condition.
Should be 4 page.
1 minute. This is the starting page. After that, I will. Tan 80 degrees into tan 10 degrees is equal to, we can write 1. So 1 plus 1. His answer is 2.
Option 3.
Option 3 is the right answer.
Sir, this is only starting page of the classes.
This one.
No.
This page, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Completed, sir.
Complete.
Completed, sir.
This is very, very important problem. So with the help of the logic, this problem easily we can solve. So now let us move to the 17th question. So 1 plus tan of 13 degrees multiplied with 1 plus tan 32 degrees upon 1 plus tan 12 degrees into 1 plus tan 33 degrees equals to first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Here also,
1, sir.
yes, here also one tip we
First
need to
option
use.
1, sir.
1.
We need to use the tip. See, if A plus B is equal to 45 degrees or 225 degrees, then 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2. Okay, equals to 2. So that means you check here solution. Now this given expression becomes, so 13 plus 32. 13 plus 32 is equal to 42. A plus B is equal to 45.
42.
So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2. Numerator is 2.
Yes.
Similarly, 12 plus 33 also 45. So if A plus B is equal to 45, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Denominator is
2 by
2
one
by 2
option.
is
2 by 2 equals to 1, sir.
1. So first
Yes.
option is the right option. So very simple
Completed.
logic. Simple logic.
Completed, sir.
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
No, sir.
Now 18th problem. If A plus B equals to 135 degrees, then 1 plus cot A multiplied with 1 plus cot B equals to
2, sir.
first option 1,
2, sir.
second option 2,
Second option 2, sir.
third option 3, fourth option 4. This is standard result only.
Second option 2, sir.
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. So note, we have this note. Once again, I will write it. If A plus B is equal to 135 degrees or 315 degrees also, 315, then
360.
yes, 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is 2 equal to 2. So second option is the right option. Right.
Sir, wants to be for page. Completed, sir.
So now the 19th question.
Sir, once should be 4 page, sir.
Completed.
Thank you.
19th one. 1 minus cot 200 degrees multiplied with 1 minus cot 25 degrees. First option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option is 1 upon 2.
2.
Yes, because here also we have one int.
Third option, sir. 2.
Let us wait. A is equal to 200 degrees. This one. B is equal to 25 degrees.
25 degrees.
Yeah, that implies A
220
plus B is
degrees.
equal to
A plus
225.
B is equal
225. A plus B is
220.
equal to 225 or 45.
40.
Yes, then 1 minus cot A into
1 minus cot B is equals to 2.
2.
Option
1
3.
minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is equal to 2. Whereas 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2 cot A cot B. So this is third option. Next. Question number 20. Question number 20. Sine 20 degrees plus sine 40 degrees minus sine 80 degrees equals to first option -1, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 0. Okay, my dear students, we know that already we proved sine theta plus sine 60 degrees minus theta minus sine 60 degrees plus theta equal to 0. This we have proved. So here you do just one thing. Put theta is equal to 20 degrees. So that implies what do you get now? Tell me. Sine 20 plus
Plus sine 40
Sine
minus
of
sine
40
Sine 40 minus sine
sine 80
minus sine 80.
equals to how much you will be getting? 0.
0, sir.
Yes, answer is fourth option.
Option 4, sir. Option 4, 0.
Yes, option 4.
completed, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Right. This is the first page.
Finished, first page.
What is the page number
Complete.
we have now? 40,
Yes, sir.
41, 40, 39, 38. Yes, 39. 21st question. 21st question. Now cos A plus cos 120 degrees plus A plus cos 120 degrees minus A equals to first
0,
option
sir.
1.
0, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Zero.
Let me write the options first of all.
Sir,
Third
answer
option
is 0, sir.
Fourth option 2.
Third option, sir.
So that
Third
means
option.
1 minute, 1 minute. Here options are independent of A. Am I correct? Options are
Yes, sir.
independent of A. So select or choose A is equal to 0 degrees. So that therefore the given expression becomes cos 0 plus cos 120 degrees plus cos 120 degrees. See, my dear students, remember cos 120 degrees equals to cos 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. This is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So we get
minus
cos
1 by 2.
minus cos 60. This is minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
Cos 0 is 1. This is minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2.
0.
2 LCM. 2 minus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 0 by 2. So you will be getting 0.
0, sir.
Yes. Third option is the right option.
Completed, sir.
22nd question. 22nd question. Cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees equals to, first option is 0, second option 1, third option -1, fourth option 2. So in the previous problem, put a is equal to 20, you will get the answer in 21st problem. See, we know that from 21st problem, we know that cos theta
0.
plus cos 120 degrees minus theta, or a, no problem, cos 120 degrees plus theta equal to 0. Now, to get our answer, put theta is equal
Sir,
to 20
answer
degrees.
is 0, sir. First option, sir.
Yes, yes. Let me write first of all. Cos 20 degrees plus cos 120 minus 20 is cos 100 degrees
100 degrees plus
plus
cos
cos
140
140 degrees
Cos
equals
140.
is equal to 0. So first option is the right option. Right.
Completed, sir.
completed.
Now 23rd question. Cot pi by 4 plus theta. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Cot pi by 4 minus theta. Product of these two equals to, first option 0, second option -1, third option is 1, fourth option is 1 upon 2. Here options are
One.
independent of theta. So
1.
theta is equal to 0 degrees.
One, sir.
Yes, options are independent of
Theta.
theta. So let us choose or select arbitrary angle. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. So this given expression becomes cot pi by 4 multiplied with cot pi by 4. So my dear students, cot 45 degrees, cot pi by 4 is equal to cot 45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Cot 45 is 1, tan 45 is also 1.
1.
So 1
1.
into 1.
1 into 1 is equal to 1.
Also
1. Option
third
3.
Yes, option 3.
Completed.
Yes,
completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
right. 24th question. 24th. Sine 10 degrees plus sine 130 degrees minus sine 110 degrees equals to, first option 0, second option -1, third option is 1, fourth option is 1 upon 2. Obviously 0, but you should write
0.
the formula.
0, sir.
Yes, I
Option.
told you 0 only.
Sir, answer is 0.
Plus sine of 120 degrees plus theta minus sine of 120 degrees minus theta. Sir.
Sin theta, sine 120 degrees
Sin
plus
20
theta
degrees
Plus theta minus sine of 120
minus
degrees.
sin of 120 degrees minus theta.
equals to 0. Put theta is equal to 10 degrees.
10.
So therefore, sine 10 plus sine 130 minus sine 110
Minus sin 110 degrees.
equals to 0.
Option 1, sir.
Yes, option 1.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Now, 25th question. Right, 25th question. Tan 27 degrees, tan 32 degrees plus
Sir, once
tan
before pages.
32, tan 31 degrees. 1 minute, let us wait for 1 minute. I will go back to the next page, previous page. Tan 31 degrees, tan 27 degrees. First option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4.
3.
Third option 3, sir.
Okay, good try.
41 page also.
41 page. Okay.
Forty-two page. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So here, my dear students, remember, let A is equal to 27 degrees. B is equal to 32 degrees. C is equal to 31 degrees. So let us establish a relation among A, B, C by adding A, B, C.
Tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus
A plus B
tan
plus C first. 1 minute, Nana. Let me complete. 27 plus 32 plus 31 degrees. So that equal to 27 plus 32 is how much? Now tell me, what is the value? 27 plus,
59.
huh?
59.
59.
59.
What is 59 plus 31? 90 degrees.
90
Yes.
degrees.
If A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, we have tan A tan B plus tan B tan C
Tan B tan C plus tan B
plus tan C tan A
tan C tan B tan C
equal
tan
to
A.
1. So our answer is 1 only. Because I'm rewriting the values, A value, B value, C value, we get like this. Tan 27, tan 32 plus tan 32 into tan 31 plus tan 31 into tan 27 equal to 1 only. That's the answer.
Completed.
1 minute.
Completed.
26th problem. If sin of alpha plus beta upon sin of alpha minus beta equals to A plus B upon A minus B, then tan alpha by tan beta equals to first option A upon B, second option B upon A, third option is A upon 2B, fourth option is negative A upon B. It's not easy problem. Please try to think about and explore about this problem.
Option.
Option
Option 3. Option 3.
3. Okay. Your choice.
A
is-
by 2B, A by 2B, sir.
Okay. Right. First, let me give the some concept of the proportion here. For example, if A by B is equal to C by D, then A comma B comma C comma D are said to be in proportion, because A is to B is as same as C is to D. So this is called proportion. If the two ratios are equal, then we can apply CD rule. The CD rule is known as componendo and dividendo rule. What is meant by componendo dividendo rule means A plus B by A minus B equals to C plus D by C minus D. This is also same. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is also equal to C plus D by C minus D. This rule is called componendo dividendo rule. Let us apply componendo dividendo rule. This one. See, now we are going to get like this. It's very interesting problem. Here A means sine of alpha plus beta. A plus B. A plus B means numerator, denominator. Numerator plus denominator of left hand side. Sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta upon, what do you write? So numerator minus denominator. So that means sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta equal to, even right hand side also we need to write numerator denominator. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus of denominator. Minus A, minus into minus plus B. See, B gets cancelled. A gets cancelled. So my dear students, here all of you remember sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. We have discussed formula. 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine alpha cos beta upon sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. 2 cos A cos sine B cos alpha sine beta we can write equals to 2A by 2B. 2 gets cancelled. This is A upon B. Here 2 gets cancelled. So now we have sine alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha. Cos beta by sine beta is cot beta equal
Cot
to
beta.
A upon B. And one more interesting thing is tan alpha into the cot beta we can write 1 upon tan beta
1 upon tan beta.
equal to A by B. So therefore we have
A by B.
tan alpha by tan beta equals to,
A
what
by
we
B.
get? A upon B.
A by B.
So first option is the right option. So which rule we have applied here? Tell me.
Componendo dividendo rule.
Yes. Componendo dividendo rule. That is called CD rule. Clear?
Completed, sir.
Yes.
So now 27th problem. If 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than pi by 2, and 2 cos theta equals to root 3 cos 10 degrees minus sine 10 degrees. Then theta equals to the value of theta. First option 20, second option 70, third option 40, fourth option 10.
First option 20.
First option.
First option 20. Sir.
Huh. So now 2 cos theta equals to root 3 cos 10 degrees minus
10
sin degree.
degrees minus sin 10 degrees.
So this we can write like this. Divide both sides by 2. So we can have like this. Cos theta is equal to root 3 upon 2 cos 10 degrees minus 1 upon 2 sin 10 degrees we can write. Here one question we need to ask ourselves. So the value of root 3 by 2 in terms of cos, we can write that is cos 30 degrees. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the value of 1 by 2 in terms of sine, that's equal to sine 30. Yes, now
Sin that
replace root 3 by 2 equals to this cos 30. Replace 1 upon 2 is equal to sine 30.
sin 30.
Yes, now what do we get? Cos 30
Cos 30 minus sin 30.
cos 10
Minus
minus sin
30
30
sin
sin 10.
30 sin 10
10.
degrees.
What will you say about this value? This value is in the form of cos A cos B minus
Cos
sin
A,
A
cos
sin
B minus
Cos
sin
A
A.
minus sin A sin B.
cos of A plus B cos
Cos
30 plus cos 10.
Cos 30 plus 10 degrees.
That is equal to cos 40 degrees.
Cos 40 degrees.
So that means we have cos theta equals to cos 40
40
degrees. Now what will you say about theta? What will you say about
40.
theta?
40 degrees.
Yes. Theta is equal to 40 degrees. Clear? Understood?
So then sin 10 degrees.
Yes, sir.
So no. You see the formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Minus sin
Is equals to cos of A
Not
plus
A
B.
plus B. Not
Cos
cos of A minus B. This formula. A means 30, B means 10. Cos of A plus B, cos 40. So theta must be equal to 40. It is clear or not?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Right.
Completed, sir.
Wait 1 minute. 28. Question number 28. If, the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees tan 45 degrees equals to first option -1, second option negative root 3, third option 0, fourth option 1.
Second option negative root 3.
Okay.
It is in the form of A plus B whole square.
No. Tan 20, tan 45 is in the form of tan A plus tan B. We have the tip. What is the tip? Tan A plus tan B equals to, so we can have tan of A plus B into 1 minus tan A tan B. Am I
1
correct or
minus
not?
tan A tan B. Yes, sir.
Now here we can write like this. Instead of this tan 20 plus tan 45, we can apply this tip. That we can write tan of 20 plus 40, 20 plus, sorry, this is, I did a wrong mistake, Nana.
65.
Because you are correct. I did mistake. Sorry, sir. Absolutely sorry. 25. This is tan 25. Right. Tan 20 plus tan 25, we can write tan
Tan
45
45
into,
degrees, sir. Tan 45 degrees.
yes, 1 minus tan 20
Tan
tan
20
25 and plus tan 20
tan 20, tan 20.
We know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Am I correct? So 1
Yes,
into
sir.
this one is equal to 1 minus tan 20, tan 25
Tan 25
plus